Okay, good evening friends. So today we are discussing about support and resistance. Today we will study about support and resistance of the stocks. So how to trade support and resistance, and what are the conditions for buying, and where will we place target, stop loss, okay, all this. So our today's topic is support and resistance. So friends, I have opened JK Tire in on monthly time frame, so that we can see the whole lifetime chart of the stock and understand each and everything from the, we can say, very basics, and from the beginning we could see that how stock has behaved in his whole journey from its in its initial enlisting on the stock market, how it is doing, and okay, what are the things. So friends, first of all, I will go back to initial time of its listing. So you could see here friends, its listing has taken at a price somewhere around its listing was at a price of somewhere 42, 43 somewhere. Okay, yeah, I will keep it on the monthly candle. So one minute, let me zoom. I have added RSI indicator just to make you understand that how RSI works or how it shows. Okay, so friends, you could see there is a very small red candle. I think everybody could see this red candle. There is a very small red candle. Okay, so yeah, its listing price was it opened at 38.80, high was 38.80 again, equal open was equal to high, and low was 37.60. This is for the whole month actually. Yeah, it was in the month of November, 1st of November 1994. Okay, so you could see there is a very small red candle friends. There is a very small red candle. This is 1 month candle actually. Each candle is of 1 month, because I am opening I have opened this stock in monthly chart. So look at this stock, how it has moved. It remained in a very narrow range, in a very narrow range of just, we can say, approximately 1 rupee and few paisa. Okay, right. Okay, and see the next month there is a very big movement of the stock. It moved from we can say it opened at 43, made high of 43 and low of 31.50, and closed at 31.50. okay, so here it moved some points. We can say approximately 10-11 points movements is there for the next month. So see, likewise the journey goes on, but you could see the stock is falling from that level. In first month of listing, it was listed in somewhere 38. Okay, next month it has gone up to 43. Okay, then after its downward journey started. So look at the downward journey of the stock. Its downward journey started. Okay, so just making you to look at the just try to understand that how the stock is was doing in the initial time, and where is it at present level. Okay, so friends, you could see here the stock started downward journey. It started downward journey from a level of 38, initial listing of 38, made a high of 43, and then started downward journey. You could see every candle represents 1 month. So it has given very small movements, because at that time the price was small. Okay, and there were the interest of investors and traders was very small actually in this stock, because that was its initial listing. So you could see here friends, it has once made to this level. So this level, you could see that stock has not gone below this level. So this level is actually our support level. Means it's a level from where stock has taken a upward journey. So that level is called as support level. So I will take, friends, I will take a red line. Let us take a I will take blue. Let us take blue line. Okay, let us take a blue line to mark this level. So I will mark this level with a horizontal line. So friends, you could see here, this is our support level. So it is actually 2.81 or somewhere 3 rupees, somewhere here, somewhere 3 rupees. Okay, so means from a initial listing of 38 rupees, stock made a high of 43 and came down to a level of 3. Okay, So means anybody who has invested in initial time, okay, so they might have faced a loss, a big loss in this stock, okay, provided he was a short short term trader. So you could see here friends, it was listed in 1994, sorry 95, yeah 94 actually, November 94, 1st of January, and you could see that how the stock has behaved. It came to level of 3, and from 3 level it has given us, we can say again, started upward journey. So look at this, let me zoom out. Look at this level friends, stock once came to this level, so means this level of 3 rupees level, it acted as a support for the stock. This level acted as a support for the stock, so stock took support of this level. Because see here friends, once it was falling, here it came to this level but did not fall below that. Now the price was already very much, we can say, corrected. It has shown a huge fall, okay, but from this level of 3 it started upward journey. So you can look at these candles. There are green candles. This is the level of, this is the support level. Here it took support, okay, then after it started upward journey. So look at the 3 big candles upwards. After this level is crossed, 1 candle, 2, 3, okay, 4th candle is a doji friends. It's a doji candle, so it's a confusing candle, okay, confusion was there. So what happened here, stock was, once it has taken support, support is actually a level on the chart from where we can say the buyers became interested in buying a stock, or simply speaking a level from where stock has started its upward journey, or we could say that support is a level where new investors or traders, they have become interested in buying this stock in huge quantities. So I will just Google search it. Let us go and Google search, try to understand the meaning of support and resistance. Okay, I will just type to, for your knowledge, support and resistance. Okay, okay friends, so I have got this. So you could see here, 1 minute, I will just, yeah, let us go to Wikipedia, let us go to technical analysis. There's a site, actually there's a site has opened, so we will go there, open it, and we'll study it. Okay, okay friends, so 1 minute. They have not given proper definition, I think. Let us go back and study somewhere else. Let us go to Wikipedia. Sorry, what happened? Support. Okay friends, so I will just go on this, or we will go to this Zerodha varsity. Okay friends, so we are here on this page, Zerodha varsity. First they have given the concept of resistance. So okay, now we are on this page of support. Okay, so having they have just told it. Okay, Okay friends, so they have given just the name suggests. As the name suggests, that is a support. Support is something that prevents the price from falling further. The support level is a price point on the chart where the trader expect maximum demand in terms of buying. Demand here means in buying. Maximum buying is there coming into the stock or index. Okay, so this is the simple meaning of the term support. So I will just highlight this portion. That support is something that prevents the stock price to further fall. Okay, and support level is a price point on the chart where the trader expect maximum demand coming into the stock or index. So as the name suggests, it's a support. Support is actually a price level from where the stock will not fall. Now it will rise further. So this is the simple meaning of support. And I have shown you in charts also, and let us look at this side. They have shown the support level. So we could see here that this can be one support and this is one support. Okay, right? So then we will study what is resistance. Resistance is actually a level. We could see here the resistance is a price point on the chart where the trader expect maximum supply. Supply means in terms of selling. Maximum selling will start from that point for the stock or index. The resistance level is always above the current price. It is always above the current market price, and support level is, it is below the current market price. Okay, so let me just simply show it in charts. Okay, sorry, what happened? Yeah, this site has little problem. It is, we have to open it again. So I have to open it again because this site has some problem. It's sometimes it goes back to its original settings. JK Tire, yeah, JK Tire Industry. Okay, friends, please mute your audio. I think Ranjanji has kept the audio, and I could see some sounds, background sounds. Okay, so I will just simply add here, let us add volume only. Okay, just to make it simple. Okay, so I have added volume. So look at this level, friends. I am telling you about all this level. This level. Let us add RSI also, so that chart comes to upper level. Okay, now it is clear. Right friends, so you could see here that stock has taken a support at the level of 3 or somewhere. Okay, around 3. So I will take a horizontal line, red line, or let's take a red line. So you could see here friends, this level of 3, stock has taken support of the level of 3 from its initial listing of 38, made a high of 43, and then came down to this level of 3. Then it started upward journey, friends. Look at this level, it started upward journey, but again look at this level, it faced resistance. So support level is a price level from where the buyers are simply speaking the demand for the stock rises. Demand means when something is in demand, its price is likely to rise. Okay, so you can take an example of some seasonal fruits or anything, if something is in demand, so its prices are surely rise, surely the price would rise. Okay, so what happened friends, once it moved from the level of 3, it made a high of somewhere around 13-14. Okay, somewhere 13-14, it made a high of 14 somewhere. Look at this doji candle here, it made a high of 14. From this small level of 3, it made a high of 14 and again faced a resistance at this level. Look at this level friends, it faced a resistance of this level. So I will take one more line, I will clone this. Okay, so where does it face resistance? It faced resistance at the level of 13-14 somewhere, yeah, 14 level. It made a high of 14 and here it faced resistance. So what happened here, once stock moved up to this level of 14, so there the supply because stock had gone very deep down to 3 level, to the price level of 3. Okay, so from a price level of 3, it given a very good upside movement up to 14. And if friends, if we calculate in percentage, it's a very big percentage move. Let me just calculate how much percentage is this. This is a very big move. Now if we look at it in just price wise, it looks very small, just 3 to 14. Okay, it doesn't seem big, but if we calculate in percentage wise, it would be a very huge, very big movement. So there is a difference of 10 points, friends. Okay, sorry, 11 points difference is there. So we will divide 11 by, sorry, one minute. Sorry about that. Ranjanji, please mute your audio. I could hear your voice of you're drinking something, I think. So there is a disturbance coming. Please mute your audio. Ranjan sir, please mute your audio, please. Sir, please mute your audio. There is some disturbance. Okay, please. So please mute your audio so that there is no disturbance in session. Please, whenever you want to talk anything, then you unmute. Otherwise, we leave mute. Okay. No issue, sir. No issue. Just mute it. Just click over this icon, sir. You could see your icon looks green, so it should be orange. If it is orange, let me just do it. Now you are not able to hear me. So it's once it is orange, you will not hear me. Look at this, friends. How to unmute. How to unmute and how to mute. Just click on this. Okay. Okay, sir. So friends, it has given a movement of somewhere around 78%. About 78% movement is this. Very big movement. Okay. In terms of, we are looking at this, just we think of the 3 to 13, 14 level, this is a small level, but if we calculate in percentage wise, it's a very big movement for the stock because stock price is already very low. Okay, so this level of 3 acted as a support for the stock, means this is the level from where the buyers the investors, they became interested in buying this stock. So are simply speaking, but the demand for the stock has increased. Once something is in demand, the stock price would rise higher. So you can take in daily life example, if something is in demand, its prices are likely to rise higher. Okay, so same thing happened at this level, but what happened once it touched 40 level on the monthly chart? Okay, so there was previously some level from where stock has gone down. Look at this level, actually here stock has taken some support also initially, but has fallen, but could not sustain and fallen down. So this level acted as a resistance for the stock and it fallen down. It fallen down back to level of 3, somewhere around 3, even little bit below 3 level. So here it took support of that level again. Once this level of 3 was established, so this level acted as a support, and see what happened here. It again took support. Okay, because the level is very small and the chart is also small. Let me just zoom out, try to make it bigger so that we can see the exact price levels till what level it has fallen. So it might have gone few points below also. Yeah, somewhere around it touched somewhere around 2.6 or so. Okay, 2.6 or 7, somewhere it touched up to this level. Means somewhere around 3 it took support again. So look at this level, it took support of somewhere around 2.6 to 3. because support is not a single price point, friends. Always remember that support is actually a range. So there is a range from which stock again started its upward journey, and now look at this time. This time, this level of 14 was a resistance for the stock. Here it has broken that level of 14. Look at this level. Look at the candle size. Look at the size of the candle. Previously there were some big three candles were big candles, okay, then there were three red big candles downwards, and the candle size was decreasing, friends. So this is also one of the important indication when the size of the candles change, whether the stock is rising or falling. Once the size of the candles is started decreasing, whether in uptrend or in downtrend, so we should think of the stock in reverse. So this is also a sign. This is an indication that stock can rise upward. Sorry, that stock in reverse. We cannot say it would rise up because it may happen in the upward trend also. So whenever stock, you could see that the size of the candles is decreasing. You could see that the candle were previously there were three big candles upside, then started downward. Red candle has started, but the candle were big initially. Then the size of the candle started decreasing. Look at this level. All these candles look like as a small, we can say small dot like, or very small, we can say small candles are there. And this is on monthly chart, friends. Don't forget we are looking at monthly chart. So on monthly chart for 1 month, look at the very small movement of this stock. It was just moving in, we could say in few paisa only. Okay, now look at this level. It took support of somewhere around 2.6, 2.78 somewhere. Okay, it took support of that level and started upward journey again. Look at this big candle. This month it moved. It has given a very big movement of from 4 to 7 rupees. Means almost doubled. Okay, we could say it's a from 4 level. It opened at 4 level and made a high of somewhere 7.15. Approximately it has doubled in just 1 month's time, we could say. And look at the next month. Next month the stock has fallen down, but see, now this time it took support of this 4 level only. Means somewhere around it took support of 4 level or even above 4 level. Yeah, 4.23, sorry, 4.29, 30 somewhere. And see, there is a gap of opening this month. There is a gap of opening this month, and stock has given a very good upward movement. Now look at this level, friends. This level of 14. Now stock has broken this resistance level. Initially this small level where it acted as a resistance in the past, this level in the month of September month. You could look at on first September. Sorry, on September month actually. In September month stock has faced a resistance of at 14 level. Okay, it moved down. It is in the year 99. Okay, it is in the year 99. It moved down from that level, came down to 2.67 somewhere. Okay, and then again started upward journey. This time it broken the level of 14. Look at this big candle. Actually there is a very big candle. Okay, it has broken that level, and see the next month it has made higher. Okay, there is a small next month the stock remained in a range, we could say. Friends, there is again a disturbance. I think I have to mute myself. Yeah, I have to mute it. Okay, so I have muted you, sir. Okay. Okay, so look at this, friends. Look at this candle now. Look at this. There is the red candle, but it has not broken the previous big candles low. Means stock was still in uptrend. It's an indication that now the stock has, after making this big movement, up from some level of 4, we can say it moved up to 14 again. Okay, this month, in the month of, in the year 2005 now, it is in the month of January. Okay, stock has, it has just made some, there is a bearish candle actually. It opened at level of 15.93. It made a low of 13 actually. So there is a small downward movement. Look at the next candle, friends. Look at the next candle. There is a very big candle. It moved up to, it's a lifetime high, we can say. No, sorry. No, because its initial listing price was 30. Sorry, we cannot say that it's lifetime. But yeah, from this fall of 3 level, it has made a very big movement of up to 20.49. So friends, you could see here how the stock has, once a level from which stock has started upward journey, okay, and faced a resistance somewhere, means from where the stock is fallen down, once that level was crossed, so that level act as a resistance, sorry, support. Now this level was initially, it was a resistance, that there was a small resistance, okay. Once this level was crossed, so look at this level, friends. Stock has moved up to this is the highest candle, or we can say this candle is also big. Their high is almost equal. The high level is approximately 27.82. Okay, so stock moved up to this level, but see, it has again given some downward movement also, but could not break this level of 14, friends. You could see in this month it just gone below, but the monthly candle closed above that level. Monthly candle closed above that level of 13, 14. Okay, so means this time the stock has taken a strong support of this level. So friends, what happened once the level was resistance, if that level is broken, so that level becomes as a support, and if a support level is broken, that level act as a resistance for the stock. So this thing happens, okay, the things happen like this. So just try to understand how the stock has moved. Okay, I will just explain everything in brief, briefly. So see here, friends, once again it made a fresh high up somewhere around 27, and once it crossed that level, it made fresh high up somewhere around 31 somewhere. See, look at this level, friends. It once moved up to that level of its initial listing. Remember it? Its initial listing was at a price of 38. So friends, it moved somewhere around 41. It moved up to somewhere around 41, because you remember, friends, it has fallen from a level of 43. I will show it after going back. Let me go back and show you that level also. Look at this level. This month's candle, its high was 43. Look at this level, friends. Here is open, high, low is given, and close is also given. So look at this month. Its high was 43. So somewhere it acted as a resistance for the stock. Let me just put a line also. I will take a horizontal line again and mark this level of 43. Here, this level, friends. Now look at this level. This level now acted as a resistance for the stock. One stock has given a very big movement from a level of 3. Yeah, but it took a long time also. It's a long time journey. Look at this, friends. This is a level of 43. Stock could not make up to 43. It made a high of 41.02. Okay, and a low of 25. Okay. So look at this candle. Here it acted as a see, the resistance is there. That level was resistance. So it is resistance is actually a level, friends. Resistance is actually a range. It's not a single point. Always remember that resistance is not a single point. It's a range actually. So somewhere stock tried up to 41. It made a high of 41, and see the next month what happened. Stock made a high of 39.60. and a low of 22.06. It opened at 37.89. okay, so see, means the downward trend again started. Okay, and this downward trend, this time it has broken the, here it has broken a very strong. Now this support was a very strong support. Reason being, stock remained in this range above this level of 14 for quite a long time. It started its upward journey from this level of 14 in the month in 2015. In the month of February, it moved above this level. Okay, here in the month of October 2008, after 3 years, friends. So for 3 years stock remained in this range. Okay, for 3 years stock remained in the range of somewhere around, we could say, 14 to 41. It remained in this range. This month, in the month of this October, it has broken that level. Look at this level. It has broken that level, again fallen down to level of 5. Okay, so friends, this time it has not gone to level of 3. This time it has taken a support above its previous strong support level, because the support level, level of 3 was a very strong support level. Here it took support somewhere around 5 and again started upward journey. Okay, this time again this level was the resistance. Here look at this red candle. Look at this red candle, friends. Once again at that level of 14, it again faced some resistance, and the candle is bearish candle is there. but yes, stock has not fallen much. It was in a range. Okay, it was in a small range and crossed this range, broken this range again, and started upward journey, fresh upward journey. This time it touched again 42 level, friends. 42, 43 level is touched. Look at this candle. Here it made a high of 43.10, means again that level, the level which was initially a resistance. This level was a very strong resistance for the stock, because stock has from its initial listing time, it has fallen from that level of 43. So that level acts as a resistance and stock has gone down. So see here, friends, how stock reacts. So this is, I am showing you how the history is repeating. How the history has repeated, just like in the initial listing time, it has made a high of 43. Stock has fallen down to 3 level, okay, and then started upward journey, and this time again. So it is the second time that stock faced a resistance in the range of 40-43. Okay, this time again it touched 43. Sorry, friends. It again touched range of 43 and again started downward journey. Look at this level, again started downward journey and again took support of that level of 14. Again somewhere in the range of 10-14, 12 to, this time it made a low of 12 somewhere. Okay, so means that range. It again took support of that after this big fall from 43 level. It came to level of 12. Again upward journey. So friends, this way stocks keep on moving, they keep on moving from their support to resistance or resistance to support. They keep on moving. So if the stock has to move above or below, any established support or resistance level, so stock has to break that level. Until that the time the stock could not break that level, there are very low chances for the stock to go beyond that range. Okay, now this level of 43 was a tough resistance for the stock, or we can say it's a rock solid resistance was there. That was a very strong resistance for the stock, so stock was not able to break that level. Now see, I am moving the chart forward so that you could see here. Okay, I am moving it forward. So this time look at, friends, look at this level. Stock has again gone up to level of somewhere around 10-11. It made a low of 10-11. You could read here somewhere. Okay, and this time, friends, look at this candle. Look at this time. This time it has crossed this level of 43, 44. It crossed it with a very big monthly candle. Okay, look at this level. This time it made a fresh lifetime high of 65. This is the lifetime high of the stock from its initial listing in the November 1994. Okay, this time it made the lifetime high, friends. So it made a fresh high. Okay, and after that, after this fresh high, it has shown a little healthy correction. This is a very healthy correction, friends. You could see for 2 months it remained in this range. Okay, it remained in this range but could not break the this month's low also. It could not break this level of 43 again. Means it took support here. It has taken support on monthly chart. It has taken support and freshly it has moved up to, look at these big candles. Okay, it has given a very strong up move, and look at this red candle again. It made a fresh high up to 163. Okay, so it has made a very strong upward movement of up to 163, and it is in the year 2014, friends. Hopefully everybody remember this year of 2013-14. The every stock had done very well, and this JK Tyre also done very well in the year 13-14. It has moved from a level of 43. It moved up to level of 163, friends. So it has given roughly, just taking it, how many times is this? If we divide 163 with 43, so it has moved somewhere around 3 to 4 times. So it has given us multi-bagger returns. It has given multi-bagger returns. It has given a huge, we can say, return this time. Okay, friends. So you could see this level is now, it acted as this level. It has, in monthly chart, it has made up to 163, but closing was somewhere around, look at this closing price. Closing price is at 130 level, friends. 130.50. So this level acts as a fresh resistance for the stock. So I will take one more line to mark this level of 120, 134 somewhere, 130, 34 somewhere. So this is a fresh resistance for the stock. So it took here, it faced resistance because it made a fresh lifetime high and has faced a resistance. You know, whenever stocks move fresh lifetime high, so there are chances that stock can show some correction also after the high is made. You know, it has given a very big movement. Look at this, friends. From 43 it moved up to 163. Okay, it closed at somewhere around 130, 30.50. Okay, then again it given a little downward movement. Okay, and it was in a we could see here it for quite a long time it remained in this range. It made a low of, once it made a low of 80, again took support. Okay, but could not break this level of 130. Again fallen down to, this time it fallen down to 73. Previously it's fallen to 80 and this time it fallen down to 73, 74 pence. Now look at this level again. Stock has taken a support of this level actually. It has not fallen beyond 73, again moved up. This time it crossed this level of 130 also. Okay, so this is the current situation, friends. It is, you know, it has made a lifetime high of, at this red candle actually, it made a lifetime high of 193. Okay, so this is the lifetime high of the JK Tires, that is 193, and it has you know, made a low of 146 and has closed at 150.50. and then after the stock was in a you know, it has started a downward journey. It has started downward journey and it is now in this range, friends. Okay, so now let me mark this level, or I will just shift this line only. I will shift this line. So friends, this stock has very strong support. One major support is at in the range of 70, 80 range is one strong support level, and there is one more support, friends. This is a very strong support, this level actually. This is 112. Okay, and there is an immediate support at 120. Okay, and stock is, sorry, 1 minute. Stock is trading at 120. Where is its close? Its close is 123 pence. So its immediate support is in the range of somewhere. Let me just check it. Yeah, somewhere 17, 18 to 20. This is a range. This is a support. This is a, we can say stock is nearing its. As we can say small support is there. There is a small support for the stock. Okay. Now we have to see, friends, if stock breaks this level of 112, then there are high chances that it can go around somewhere around to 80 level. If it breaks this level, okay, if it breaks this level below this level of 113, 14, whatever level is this, because this is a range actually. Once this range would be broken, friends, then we can expect it somewhere near around 80, 90, somewhere 80, 70, 80, 90. It's somewhere in this range. It will come somewhere around this range. But there is a, you know, possibility that stock can go higher also, because there is a immediate strong support level of somewhere around 113, 14. That's a very strong support level. Okay, because see, stock has remained for a very long time. The stock remained in this range. So mean this is a very strong support level of 113, 14, 12, 13 level is a very strong support for the stock. Okay, so it should not fall below this level. Okay, because the support level is very strong. So this level is now support. If it support level is always below the chart. So look at this level. The stock is trading at this level. Okay, it has closed at 123.55. Okay, so if stock would not break this level of 113, 12, 13, so there are chances that it can go higher. At least it will once touch the immediate level. Immediate level could be 150, 60 somewhere. This level, friends. I am talking of this red candle, this candle high. This is 157, 58 somewhere. Okay, and then again the next level is 175. If it crosses the, you know, this level of 192, then there are high chances that it can go further higher. So this is our expectation that stock can either fall below this level, or you know, it can go up to this level of somewhere 175, 160, 65, again 75. Okay, right, friends? So have you got the concept of what is support and resistance and how to, you know, play according to this. So let me just now explain that where we should enter and how we can buy and sell. Okay, so this monthly, I have shown you monthly chart just to make some major levels. Okay, I have drawn some major levels, I have marked some major level friends. So let me just mark some resistance levels. I have just marked support levels. I have marked the immediate support level. So there is immediate resistance is 135. Okay, after this 135 there is another resistance, yeah, 158 somewhere, and after that level where is the next resistance would be? The next resistance would be somewhere around 182. Okay, if we just move above this level, so friends, it can go up to 206 level or so. Okay, so I have marked some levels friends. I have marked some levels. Let me just try to make one more level here in between. Yeah, it could be one level also, 103 also. Or we could say that somewhere around 100. This level friends, this level is also a support level for the stock. So friends, I have marked some red lines to show you different support and resistance levels. So all the levels, all these levels, this is immediate level of 113, this is immediate strong support level. Okay, there is a very close 120 level, 118.20 level is also a support friends. Look at these two candles. This is a monthly chart, so this is also a level friends. In the range of 118.20, this range is also a support, and the stock is trading in the range of 123. Okay, if stock if it is able to cross this level of immediate resistance level is at 135. If stock crosses above 135 level, once it gives a closing above 135 level, so there are high chances that it can go somewhere around 158 or 160. There are high chances, and if it could not remain above this level of 113, then there are chances that stock can fall down to 100. If that level is also broken, then it can fall to friends, there is some disturbance getting. Ranjan sir, please mute yourself. I have requested you many times, please mute yourself. Sir, just click on this, sir. There is a small green icon you could see here. Just click on that. Okay. So you could see how we can you can keep yourself mute. Or I have to mute everybody. But do at your ends so that there is no disturbance in the session and everybody can understand. Okay friends, so I have told you all about support and resistance, how to trade, and always try to find this support and resistance on the monthly chart. So friends, I have marked this level. Let me just change the colors also, just to make, I will change the color of support with the this blue lines. Resistance levels I will keep with red. Okay, just to make it look somewhat different. Though it's itself clearly visible that the levels below the price, this is the current level of the current monthly candle of the stock. Okay, all the levels below the price, below the chart, are support level, and all the levels above the chart are the resistance level. So I have marked some major resistance levels, okay, on the monthly chart. So now let us, and I have shown you this stock from the I have done its full analysis friends, from the level of 38, it gone down to 3 level, then it once moved up to 14 level, then fallen down again to somewhere 2.67. okay, then started our journey. That time it crossed that level of 14, it made a fresh high of somewhere 20. Then after 20 level was crossed, it made a fresh high of somewhere 45. Then it moved up to from 45 level it moved up to 163 or so. Okay, once again that from 163, let me go back also. From 163, where was that level? Yeah, from 163 it has shown some fall also. Yes, it has fallen down to 80 level. Then from its its previous 163 level high, it fallen down to somewhere around 73 80 range, it fallen that level also, it has fallen up to that level. Then it moved up to, after that level it has made a lifetime high of, this is the lifetime high, this is the highest candle I could see here, this is the highest level, friends. So the lifetime high of the stock is 193, and now it is trading in the range of 123. Its close price is 123, and there is a red candle, but there is an immediate support level, friends. This range of 118 to 20 level is as a support. If stock would break that level, then we can see it somewhere around, somewhere around 113, 12, 13. Okay, if that level is broken, then we could see it somewhere around 100, and if 100 is broken, then it can go up to 80 level. Okay, and in the upside we have immediate resistances at the level of 134.35, immediate resistance. If it manages to cross above that 135 level, then there are high chances that stock can go up to 157.60 level. Okay, after that the next level would be, the next resistance would be 184, and then it can go up to 206 and beyond also. So friends, these are some of the major support and resistance level I have marked it for JK Tyres. So you can do in the same way, you can do it for any stock that you want to study. So always try to check any stock and mark the major levels on the monthly chart. Mark the major level from where the stock has started upward journey, or from where stock has fallen down. So mark all those levels. So these levels would help us a lot in making a decision. So friends, if I have to trade on this JK Tyre, I have to buy on this JK Tyre, so I will keep my strict stop loss at 113 level, friends. I will buy it above 130 level, because you could see that stock has remained in this range for quite a long time. So this level is actually a very strong support for the stock. So I will keep immediate stop loss of 113. Okay, I will keep an immediate support of 113, and I could buy it above this level. So if I want to be very confirmed, friends, so here it is not always that we should go and buy and sell. We have to see some level. So there is an immediate resistance level 135. Okay, so it would be the right way to wait for 135 to cross. If it crosses 135, then it will give a big movement somewhere around 158, 160 also. Okay, 160 also. So right, so it would be better to wait for this level. Okay, or if anybody wants to trade at this current level also, so the person can keep the stop loss, strict stop loss 113, and buy in this range, and buy till this range till the range is not broken. So one can start accumulating this stock above 113 with a strict stop loss of 113 or 112 also. We can make up to 112 also, little below that, so that we are safe, because it's a range, friends. This level, right? And immediate target would be 135. From current price level 123, the immediate target would be 135. So I am telling all this about a positional trade, friends. What I am telling, because I am telling you on these levels on monthly chart. So these levels are for positional trade, or the short time positional trade, right? So because it would take time to cross these levels. Okay friends, is the concept of support and resistance clear to all? Now let me show it in smaller time frame. From monthly chart I will go down to weekly chart first. Now look at this weekly chart. The levels would be very big actually, because I have shown you all these levels on monthly chart. All the level I have shown here on the monthly chart. So let me show you on the weekly chart how the levels look. So on weekly chart the picture would be very clear, friends. Look at this level. Look at the weekly chart. The levels I have marked are very accurate. Okay, right friends? So whenever you want to trade on any stock, it will hardly take you 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, it will hardly take you 5 to 10 minutes. So mark all the major levels on monthly chart, then go down to weekly chart, and even you can make some more levels on weekly chart also, and then shift on to daily chart, and then on to we can shift down to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, and trade accordingly. So friends, you may take some 10-15 minutes also. Okay, somewhere around 5-10-15 minutes also. Okay, so do it that way. And friends, yeah, if we are trading intraday, so we need not to go back to previous listing level. Okay, we can take the immediate levels, nearby levels. We can mark the nearby levels and trade accordingly. Just look at this level. 1 minute. I will zoom out. Okay, so you could see here, friends, there is an immediate support. There is an immediate support somewhere 118. We can keep immediate support 118. Okay, right. I will just shift this chart little above. So friends, whenever you are I will tell you one important way of trading this support and resistance level. So whenever you are buying near support, always keep your stop loss of about approximately 1% of the stock price. Means if I am buying at this stock of somewhere around this 120, 123 somewhere, so I will keep a stop loss of somewhere 1% on intraday basis. This is I am telling on intraday basis, friends. For intraday trade, you keep a stop loss of 1%. Okay, and expect a target of somewhere 1 to 2%. Okay, so but first of all, we need to we have to wait for some confirmation, right? This candle is actually a bearish candle, so it is not giving us an indication of buying. It is rather a candidate of selling. It's rather a selling candidate. Okay, so if we have to buy a stock, we have to and the right condition I told you for selling. For short selling, it would be better if it goes below 18, then we can short sell, and we can expect it somewhere around 112, 13 on intraday basis. I am telling you, if it goes below 118, then we can short below 118. Okay, and expect a target somewhere around 113, 14 somewhere. Okay, and if we want to take it for some short time positional trade, then we have to wait for this stock to go give some indication, because it is a red candle, bearish candle. It's a bearish candle, friends, so we should wait for some confirmation to buy it for the upside. Okay, is this thing clear, friends? Is this thing clear? Is the concept of support and resistance is clear to everybody? This chart is not shifting. 1 minute. Okay, friends, so is this thing clear? Is this thing clear, friends? Now I have opened it in weekly chart, so look at this weekly chart. Okay, means each candle here is representing one week. Okay, it is representing 1 week. So if we want to buy, so we have to wait. If we want to buy it on positional basis, so we have to wait for this 135 level to cross. If it once crosses that 135 level, so there are high chances that the stock can go somewhere around 158, 9 somewhere, 160 also. Okay, now let us go to smaller time frame of daily chart. So friends, this way we should mark different level and different time frames. Now look at this daily chart. How the daily chart look like? Okay, so this is our daily chart, friends, and look at these levels. We may need to mark some further levels. So now look at the daily chart, friends. On daily chart, it has shown some reversal sign. Look at this. Sorry, because we were looking in the higher time frame, there was no indication, but now look at this. Okay, if we open it on daily chart, So on daily chart, stock has shown us that it has taken a support of this level, friends. I told you that 120, 118, 20 level is a support level, and it has taken a reversal. You could see that there was a very big red candle. It made a small red candle, so that has shown, okay, that has shown a reversal indication. Look at the past levels also. Something similar also has happened in past also. Look at this level. There were red candle. After this red candle, there is a red candle. After this, there is a green candle. So after that, you could see the stock has given an upward movement also. So same thing happened here also, here also, here also. Okay, it moved somewhere at least for 2 days, but it moved up. Now after this big red candle, okay, there is a small red candle. So it's a sign that once a red candle, big red candle, there is a small candle, the candle size is reducing, and there is another, and we are checking on daily chart. So here every candle is representing 1 day only. Here every candle is representing 1 day, but if you look at the RSI value is still, it is below 50 level actually, but it is indicating it's look at the ending line of the RSI. Where is it? It is pointing upward. Okay, so one can do it if you want to buy somewhere in this level. So this is an opportunity. This could be an opportunity. So we can keep a stop loss of somewhere, for safe side we will keep a stop loss of somewhere 118 level, or we can even keep a stop loss of 120 also, and buy this stock above 123. Okay, so immediate target would be 128 pence at the higher this candle. Immediate target. This would be our immediate target of 128. If it manages to cross that level, then it could go up to 130, and then so on 35 and so on. Okay friends, so we have to mark, first of all we have to mark major levels on the monthly chart, then on weekly chart, then on daily chart. Okay. Now let us go to hourly chart, how it looks on hourly chart. So we could see the whole day movement actually. So today, this is today's movement friends. So you could see here the stock has fallen down from this level. It has made a fall from 135 level. It has recently fallen from 27th, yeah, from 1 minute, somewhere around 27th of last month. It has fallen from 135 level. It has came up to level of 120 friends. Here it took support of 120 level, okay, and now it has reversed up. It has given a reversal here. So there are high chances that stock will once immediately touch this level. Look at this level. If you look at an hourly chart, the immediate level comes to be somewhere 125, 126. Then after the next level would be somewhere 130, 128, 130 somewhere. Okay, so this way. 1 minute, there is some indication this P line is also there. Yeah, it is showing up, there is a pattern friends, yes. This investing.com has a one plus point friends. It gives us different patterns also. So you could see here there is an engulfing, bullish engulfing. Okay, you could see the red candle. They have shown black candle covered with the white candle. Now it is in place of black we have red candle, and in place of white candle we have the green candle. So it is showing a reversal. Look at this red candle. This red candle is fully covered by its body. Its body is fully covered, fully is inside the green candle. That is a bullish engulf. Sorry, yeah, bullish engulf. So that is the reversal sign on the hourly chart. Okay, so means on hourly chart it has given us a it gives a clear picture that stock has reversed. So we can buy keeping a stop loss of 119 or 20 also. Okay, so then let us go to 15 minutes time frame. So friends, look at this, any stock, look at this way. So see, if someone has bought today, it's today's chart actually. Today it has given a gap of opening also. Yeah, there is a, yeah, yesterday close was here 120, and it has gapped up, opened. It has opened, yeah, its opening is at 121. So there's a little gap of opening. Okay, its stock made a high somewhere this level of 122.70. Then there is a little downfall also. So it has fallen down to somewhere around 120, 21. Okay, and again moved up to 123. Yeah, it made a high of 124.60 also. In 15 minutes time frame, So friends, look at these levels, and there is an immediate level. Okay, so there are chances that stock can further go higher, or it can fall back to somewhere around 120 also, because this level there's a double top level. So there are some level, friends. Once stocks are at double top level, there are chances that it can fall down also. If it manages to cross that level, then we can expect it to next level. So this is called level trading. So we have to trade from level to level. Look at this. So this can be our monthly trading. This is how we could take a decision in the on the daily intraday basis. We can take a trade like this. So we have to see some level as a support level, so there we can keep stop loss of that level, and some resistance in the upper side we can keep. Immediate resistance level will be taken as the first target in this way, first target, second target, and third target. Okay, this way. So friends, this way we should keep on moving from level to level. If one level is achieved, then it starts upward journey, then it can go to next level. So stocks always keep moving from level to level. Okay, right friends, have you got this concept? That how can we trade from for positional term? I have told you everything. Okay, you can take some positional trade on the basis of these support and resistance level, but for positional trade we have to wait for some major levels to stock to give a closing of some major levels. Okay, but on intraday basis, even we can use 5 minutes time frame also. So let me show this in 5 minutes time frame how the stock has moved. Okay, so I have told you the level of 120 is a stock is that is a support level for the stock, 120 level. So let me take a line here. I will take a fresh line, horizontal line. Okay, I will mark this level of 120, 119.95, or we can say 120 level somewhere. Yeah. So friends, this is today's movement is actually from this. Yeah. So this is yesterday's level, friends. Yesterday's movement is 5th of September. The stock moved from this level, gone higher up to 123, again fallen down to somewhere around 120 level. Okay, and today's movement, friends, this is the whole today's movement. This is 6th. You could see here 5th of September. This is 6th of September. So today it remained in this range. So one would have bought in the range, above this level, anywhere in this range, one would have bought it. Okay, keeping a stop loss of 120 level and expecting a immediate target of 123, because stock has reversed from this level, friends. Yesterday stock has fallen from that level, so that level would act as a small resistance for the stock. This is a small resistance for the stock. If stock manages to cross that level, then we can expect the next level, friends. The next level is 125, 126. Okay, and look at the volume at this level today, because you could see the stock has given a very good movement from this level. From a level of 121, we can say from 121 stock has moved up to 123. Even it has made a high of 124.60, friends. It has made a high of 124.60. Okay, so that was more than 1%, friends. Its stock is just 123 rupees. So its 1% is 1 rupee 20 paisa, we could say. Okay, for safe side we can keep 1 rupee target as 1% target. Okay, so on intraday basis 1% target is enough, more than enough. 1% target and intraday basis is a huge target actually. Don't think that it's a small target, friends. It's a very big target. Okay, but here we have to see that there is a if we would have bought anywhere in this range, here also, even after this reversal also, after there is a reversal candle is formed, so one would have taken a entry in the buy side. Okay, and keeping the stop loss at 120 level. Okay, so friends, it has, with the stop loss was big also. It was stop loss was approximately 1%, and we could expect a target of 1 to 2%. So it has moved from 121, it has moved up to 1. So friends, it has given approximately 2% movement on intraday basis. So it was a very good trade in the ratio of 1:2. It is a very good trade in the ratio of 1:2. Let me take a, so this is a very good trade in the ratio of 1:2, because with a 1 rupee risk we have got the reward of 2 rupees. Okay, so we could have entered somewhere in this range, or here also, in this range. Okay, keeping a stop loss of somewhere this level of 120. Okay, so stock has moved up to, it has once made up to high of this level, friends. This is 120, what is this, 124 somewhere. Okay, no, 123.60 somewhere. Okay, right, friends? So have you got this? So for intraday we will use 5 minutes, or from 5 minutes to 15 minutes time frame. And always remember, the higher the time frame, the levels are more reliable. Always remember this line. Okay, so try to minimum, don't try to trade below 5 minutes time frame, because that would be very small level and the levels will be very quick, and maybe we can go somewhere we can take a wrong trade also. So for the best time frame for intraday is 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay, so wherever, friends, it depends on our practice. Okay, because higher the time frame we will get more reliable signals. Okay, so we could trade from 5 minutes to 15 minutes on intraday basis, right, and take a trade, take a position accordingly. So hopefully this thing is clear, friends, how we can take a trade, and where we can keep stop loss and where we will keep target. Okay, so always remember some levels. Okay, always remember some levels and play according to levels. Is this thing clear, friends? Any doubt in support and resistance levels? Friends, is this thing clear? I will unmute everybody. Okay. So friends, is the concept of support resistance clear to everybody? Ajay sir. Hello. Ajay sir, how are you? Ajay sir, Gulab sir. Manoj ji, Sujit ji. Friends, is this thing clear? Ranjan sir, is this thing clear? Any doubt in on this marking the support and resistance level and trading according to support and resistance levels? Support and resistance levels are very good levels, friends. I will take one more session on this. Okay, I will take one more session on this support and resistance levels, that how we can take some positional trades. I have just mentioned it, but still I will take some more session. Okay, so that we can understand more clearly. For intraday we will use 5 minutes to 15 minutes time frame and mark the support and resistance levels accordingly. We will mark the previous level, friends, and take a stop loss or entry level accordingly. Okay, so if we use these levels, we need not any other indicators also. Okay, we need not any other indicators, we can just play that way also. But if we add some indicators also, that will give us some reliable signal. And friends, I will tell you one simple setup for intraday trading, and I want everybody to practice this. That is a very simple indicator, everybody knows this. That is super trend, friends. Super trend is a very reliable indicator, because it gives us a buy and sell signals. It gives us a buy and sell signals. Okay, so that makes us very it makes us quite trading quite easier. Okay, so look at this level. I have marked this. I have marked this. Sorry, I have placed this super trend indicator. So you can see here. Today it has a little gap of opening. Okay, stock has gap of opening. It remained above this. So one would have bought above this level in this candle. Okay, keeping a target of 123 or so. Okay, and stop loss, initially the stop loss would be this line, friend. This horizontal line would be the stop loss. This is 120.60. Sorry, 50. Somewhere around 120.50. okay, 120.50, okay. So this level would be a stop loss, okay. So see here friends, the super trend has given us a sell signal, so here we need to exit once. We need to follow this indicator properly. Anyway it gives a sell signal, we should obey this. If we follow this, we should obey this properly. Don't take here we should not be emotional, okay. We should follow some strict system and follow that properly. So here we need to exit, okay. Once suppose we have exited, okay, then it has given us an again it has given us an entry at this candle. Look at this candle, it has again given us a entry. I am telling you on 5 minutes time frame. 5 minute time frame is quite reliable and it's a right time signal for day trading. So look at this candle. I have 121.64 level somewhere in this level. It has again generated a buy signal, okay. So here we would have taken entry in this range, somewhere in this range also, in this candle also, keeping a stop loss of this level. This is 120.80, okay. So for safe side we can keep 10 paisa below that, that means 120.70, okay. We can keep a stop loss somewhere around 120.70, okay. 70, 75 also, I think 75, yeah, some 75 somewhere, okay. And you know, wait for our target. And look at this, there is a big candle, it has given one from this level. So friends, it's a small stock actually, okay. It's 1 rupee movement is actually 1%. Remember this thing. So for intraday trading, 1% target is enough friends. 1% target is enough. So use this simple indicator, super trend indicator, if we want to we have some difficulty in taking some decision. So mark, but always check the major levels friends. Just I have told you, always check the major support and resistance levels, and then we can make use of this indicator and take some buy and sell entry according to this indicator. So somewhere it gives false signals also, just like look at this level, actually it's a kind of false signal friends. Look at this, because stock has not fallen beyond this level. It has not fallen beyond this previous support level. If someone has bought at this level, okay, so one would have kept kept the position as long this level of 120.50 is not broken. So see, nowhere this level of 120.50 has come. I will just shift this line, you could see here. I am telling you this level friends, 120.50 actually. I will just shift little above. Yes, this level. So friends, nowhere it has given a sell signal. It has given a sell signal, but nowhere it has broken the previous stop loss. So we can keep we can be long in the same stock with the same stop loss. Okay, if we have bought at this first candle in the range of 121 or so, okay, or even in this range also, let us take we have bought somewhere around 121.70, 80 somewhere, okay, even at this level also. So we would have kept stop loss of this range 120.50, okay. So nowhere the stop loss has nowhere hit. So friends, don't, okay, if we have taken a decision that we have kept stop loss, so until this stop loss is hit, we will not exit, okay. So if someone has bought in this range and have remained in position with this stop loss, strict stop loss, friends, always remember that whatever stop loss you have decided, you should follow that strictly till the time you are in trade, okay. So see, if we have entered somewhere in this range, so we would have kept stop loss of 120.50. So nowhere stop loss has hit, so there is no need to exit in this sell signal of this super trend, because sometimes it gives false signal also, okay. So that was actually a false signal in this range, stock remained in this range, and again it has moved up, okay. So here we would have got at least 2% return, 2 rupees profit was there. Definitely there would be a profit of somewhere around 2 rupees. So means 1 to 2% profit would be there. So follow this system strictly friends. And yeah, I have added RSI also. Let me show you how we can trade as per RSI. So we can mark the 50 level of RSI. Always remember the 50 level of RSI is very important level. Okay, mark this level of his stock, is RSI value is above 50, so we can be in position. Let me just mark the level of 50. Okay, so friends, you could see here, once it has gone below, yeah, here we need to exit as per the RSI and this super trend. We need to exit at this level. So if suppose we are bought in this range 120.60, 70, 80 also, so we would have exited in this range, in this candle somewhere 121.45. So there would be a small, we can say small loss of, we can say 30-40 paisa. Okay, small loss. So one would have exited at for safe side. As a safe trader, we would have exited if we follow this system. Just like RSI has gone below 50 and super trend has also given us a sell signal. Okay, so follow some system properly. If you follow super trend and RSI, follow it properly, obey it. Don't get mentally involved. Don't get emotional. Don't be emotional in trading. Trade like a robot. Trade like a machine. Whatever your system says, you follow it strictly. If you follow your system strictly, then surely you can make money. Okay, but if you don't follow system, if you don't follow any proper way, proper system, then it's not easy, friends. It's not easy to make money, because following a system is very important. If we follow some rules, if we follow some system, we should follow it strictly. But if we take some decision as per our, or emotionally, just like I have told you that this level is not broken, so we could wait for this level to be broken. This is one, I am telling you two things actually, but both the things are logical actually. Both the things have logic. Okay, I have told you that initially you would have entered in this range. It looks a signal that it has given us, super trend has given us a buy signal, and stock was in a range. In this range it was trading above this previous level also. Look at this previous immediate level, it is trading above this level. So one would have bought, and look at this level. One stock came to this level, again moved up from this level. So if we have taken some decision of to be in trade, okay, with this stop loss, strictly follow that. Strictly follow that. Okay. So if super trend has given the sell signal also, if we would have followed it, what would happen? If it might be hit, it might have hit our stop loss. Doesn't matter. Okay, if stop loss is hit, no problem, friends. Even stop loss would be hit. Nobody is perfect, and nobody can say, nobody can 100% judge a stock. Nobody is perfect. Nobody can say that stock will not go below this or not go above this. Stop loss can be hit, but we should manage our, we have to manage it properly. We have to do money management. We have to follow the system strictly. So I am telling you two systems. Either you follow this RSI and this RSI and super trend, strictly follow that, enter and exit accordingly. Okay, are you follow this? Is even this is also super trend signal that was earlier given it. Okay, it is given us. Okay, so here as per this level, the stop loss of 120.50 is still safe. So till the time stop loss is safe, we need not to exit from this trade. So that way we will save ourselves from being doing multiple trades. Don't take too many trades in intraday. You should not take more than 2-3 trades on intraday basis. So strictly follow your system. The system, if you follow your system, surely you will make money. Because discipline is very important, friends. If we are not disciplined, we cannot make money. So to be truly successful in the market, we need to follow system strictly, and we must be disciplined. Discipline is very important. Okay, friends. So with this note, I will close the session here. I have given a small setup that you can check anything. As per this, I am telling you about as per the support and resistance. I have shown you all the levels. I have marked all the levels as per monthly chart, then weekly, then daily, and an hourly also. You can check 15 minutes to 5 minutes also, and trade as per 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame, and mark the levels, and trade as per major levels. Trade strictly as per major levels. You can make use of RSI for entry and exit. Okay, you can make use of RSI indicator. Okay, this indicator is very helpful for new people or even for expert traders also. It gives us a clear indication. It gives us, we can say, some confidence to be in either in trade or you are to exit. Okay, so it's a very good indicator. It's quite helpful indicator, friends, and it's freely available in this investing.com also. Okay. So friends, with this note, I would like to close the session, and before closing the session, I would welcome your question. If any doubts are there, you please tell me your question, doubts, so that I will clear your doubts. Friends, if there is any doubt, please tell me. And always remember that whenever you have to trade on any stock, or go from its previous level, check its monthly level, monthly chart, open the monthly chart and mark all the major levels, and you can take the help of two colored lines, just like I have made it. Let me just once again go to monthly chart to show all the levels. Sorry, what happened? Okay, now look at this, friends. Look at this level. I have marked all the major levels. I have marked support levels. I have marked resistance levels. Okay. So start from monthly chart, go down to weekly chart, then daily chart, then hourly chart, 50 minutes chart, and 5 minutes chart, and trade accordingly. Okay, friends. Friends, any doubt? Please tell me. If there is any doubt, please tell me. And it's already time, it's 11 o'clock, so I will close the session if there is no doubt. So please tell me if there is no doubt, I will close the session, and I will share the recording tomorrow morning, because it's 11 now. Manoj sir, any doubt? Ranjan sir, any doubt? Gulab sir, Ajay sir, any doubt? Please tell me. Okay sir. Okay sir, good night then. Ranjan sir, any doubt? Manoj ji, any doubt sir? Hello? Sir, there is some disturbance in your voice. Will you repeat please? जी सर, बिल्कुल पक्का श्योर. उसके थ्रू मैं आपको समझाऊंगा कि मंथली कोई पोजीशन ट्रेड हम कैसे ले सकते हैं. वैसे मैंने बताया था, थोड़ा सा मैं एक बार फिर से इस पे एक दो सेशन और लूंगा, एक सेशन एटलीस्ट लूंगा, ताकि हम इसको और अच्छे से समझ सकेंगे कि कैसे हम इस पर पोजिशन ट्रेड ले सकते हैं, और क्या विद इंडिकेटर मैं बताऊंगा कि कोई और इंडिकेटर लगा के, जैसे मूविंग एवरेज लगा के या कोई और इंडिकेटर लगा के हम कैसे कहाँ पर एंट्री कर सकते हैं. वो मैं एक और सेशन बनाऊँ, उस पर बताऊंगा सर, ताकि हम इसको अच्छे से, क्योंकि देखो सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस ना जो बहुत बड़ा लेवल है एक्चुअली, इसके हिसाब से बड़े बड़े जो ट्रेड है ना, बड़े बड़े जो FIs DIs, वो भी इसी के हिसाब से काम करते हैं, जिसको मेजर डिमांड लेवल या मेजर सप्लाई लेवल बोलते हैं. ठीक है, तो उसके हिसाब से वो बाई करते हैं, उसके हिसाब से वो प्रॉफिट बुकिंग करते हैं. तो ये सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस का जो कंसेप्ट है, बहुत बड़ा कंसेप्ट है एक्चुअली. अगर कोई पर्सन स्ट्रिक्टली सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस को ही फॉलो करे और कुछ स्टॉक्स को अपनी वॉच लिस्ट में रखे और उन्हीं पे ट्रेड करे, तो वो बहुत अच्छा पैसा बना सकता है, क्योंकि उसी पे उसको करना है. और जब भी स्टॉक किसी लेवल पे गिर के आता है, कोई मेजर सप्लाई लेवल पे, डिमांड लेवल पे आता है, तो वहाँ से उसके हाई चांसेस होते हैं रिवर्सल के. तो जैसे देखो जैसे यहाँ पे आप इस मंथली चार्ट में देखो, ये स्टॉक यहाँ गया, यहाँ से करेक्शन हुई, इसमें यहाँ से करेक्शन हो गया, यहाँ से ये रिवर्सल कैंडल मिल गया. ठीक है, ट्वीजर बॉटम बन गया. ट्वीजर बॉटम क्या है कि दो बॉटम देखो इक्वल लेवल के बॉटम है, रेड और ग्रीन कैंडल के जो बॉटम है इक्वल है, ट्वीजर बॉटम बोलते हैं इसको. ट्वीजर बॉटम एक रिवर्सल इंडिकेटर है. ठीक है, तो देखो यहाँ से कितना अच्छा रिवर्सल हुआ. अगर कहीं यहाँ पे एंटर करता, कोई 74 लेवल पे एंट्री कर लेता, सुपर ट्रेंड का यूज करके 66 पे स्टॉप लॉस लगा लेता मंथली चार्ट के हिसाब से, तो ये इतना बड़ा मूवमेंट करता. तो ये कितना बड़ा मूवमेंट दे दिया इसने. ठीक है, मतलब कि डबल हो गया, अप्रॉक्सीमेटली डबल हो गया. तो एक्चुअली जो बड़े बड़े ट्रेड है ना, FIs DIs, वो लोग ऐसा ट्रेड लेते हैं, वो हमेशा मंथली या वीकली चार्ट पे ट्रेड करते हैं. ठीक है, वो इंट्राडे ट्रेड नहीं करते. ठीक है, वो इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग नहीं करते हैं, वो पोजिशनल ट्रेडिंग करते हैं, और वो एक बड़े मेजर लेवल पे ट्रेडिंग करते हैं. देखो जैसे यहाँ पे ना ये बड़ा मेजर, तो FIs DIs का काम ये होता है सर. वो छोटे मोटे लेवल हमारी तरह काम नहीं करते, क्योंकि वो पैसा बनाते हैं, हमारी तरह पैसा गुवाते नहीं है, क्योंकि हम लोग ना रोज ट्रेड करते हैं. वो कभी कभी ट्रेड करते हैं, लेकिन एक मेजर लेवल पे वो आगे जब स्टॉक रिवर्सल शो करता है, वहाँ से वो बाई करते हैं और बहुत अच्छा प्रॉफिट लेके, और यहाँ से वो एग्जिट भी हो जाते हैं, क्योंकि देखो उनको पता है कि पीछे वहाँ पे लेवल है, पीछे वहाँ पे एक रेजिस्टेंस लेवल है, तो वो रेजिस्टेंस पे वहाँ पे प्रॉफिट लेके निकल जाते हैं. ठीक है, तो ऐसे करके वो लोग जो है अपना प्रॉफिट लेते हैं। तो इसमें बहुत कुछ है अभी समझने को। सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस में मैं एक और वीडियो बनाऊंगा, इस पर एक और सेशन लूँगा, मतलब एक और सेशन लूँगा। ओके फ्रेंड्स, सो इसके साथ मैं ये वीडियो यहीं पे क्लोज करता हूँ। ठीक है, गुड नाइट फ्रेंड्स। ओके सर, गुड नाइट।